Ni hao and welcome back to my lifestyle blog about flower designing, super events and supercars. Today I want to show you how to make a flower bouquet with New Year's greetings for the Chinese New Year in name of the tiger. So check out and follow me. We start with some wires, the size whatever you want. We bend them over crisscross and twist them with another one and twist them. We want to make like a chicken wire, so whenever they are overlapping we just continue twisting them together, so we design like a chicken wire look. So we continue taking more wires and twisting them until we have this size of the plate we want to have. Of course, I have prepared something already, so you can see we have this big chicken wire mesh with some legs. For the legs we take another long wire, make a little hook, go between the mesh we just created and twist them together. I usually like to have like 3 or 4 legs to make it really steady and strong. And then with a plate like this, it's easy for us to work. With a glue gun, we can glue some ornaments, some decor pieces, or leaves, or petals, or whatever we want to have on this shade, so we can create a plate, a basket, an umbrella of New Year's greetings and wishes. I like to have this little coin envelopes in here just to have it really fancy, and I can already start adding my flowers like this alstroemeria directly in the center, and then from up and down with some of this epimedium leaves and the sporum in red. I add some from the bottom to support it. When something's falling apart, it doesn't matter, we can just stick it back on here and fix it with a wire. So I'm adding my flowers now. The tulips are now in the bottom, but you will see they will grow in the next days. So when you use them, it's bending down at the moment. Until tomorrow they will stand up. And this is now supporting my bouquet from the bottom. We're going to get the 3D look with these different layers. And we are just adding our flowers with beautiful small carnations. The classical flowers of the Chinese New Year are red and gold, so all the flowers I am choosing are in this color palette, and I have like loads of this beautiful yellow Glaspedia from Manjipa. They are really nice. They are very big and really lasting long. They are also very nice when they are dry, but it's going to be a fresh bouquet, a fresh greeting for the New Year's when you're invited to someone to come over, just to not show up empty-handed. And you can see I put my flowers between these ornaments just to create some different layers of my flowers and make it a bit more interesting. Then I have on a wire some more elements to make it not only flat, to give it an even more 3D look with these little tigers. And you can already see how fast this goes once you've prepared a structure like this. And it's quite funny, a little bouquet like this. This is something you cannot get at the florist around the corner. This is something very personal, very individual. And as you can see, it's quite easy. So I think everybody of you who want to try this at home gonna have lots of fun and success in all the views of the family and friends. So with this beautiful yellow Graspedia, we are getting this beautiful yellow touches. So just a few more until we are ready. A little bit more carnation, and I think we already have it. We take a string or a paper covered wire to tie it together in the end. Make it really tight so everything is staying in place. Cutting the stems off. And this is already our New Year's bouquet. With these greetings, I wish you a happy new year. Thank you for watching, and can't wait to meet you in the next episode. So thank you and goodbye.